Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an EC2 instance on Amazon Web Services. An EC2 instance is a virtual server in Amazon's Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, for running applications on the Amazon Web Service infrastructure. This means that rather than running our analysis using our computer's processor, we will rent a server hosted by Amazon. First, create an account on AWS and verify your email. Then, log in, typing your email address and password. Go to EC2 Instances and Launch Instances. Here we will be able to choose between a variety of operating systems, most of them Linux distributions. We will use a community image, which already has some pre-installed software for the class. Search for Bio312 under Community AMIs. Make sure your region is set to North Virginia. Depending on your needs, you can choose between different instance types, each with its own RAM memory requirements and number of CPU specifications. For the lab, we will use the T2 Medium instance. Click Next to configure instance details. Then click Next to add storage. We will require 50 gigabytes. Click Next to add tags. Click Next to configure security group. Change SSH to all TCP and add a rule for HTTP. Review the details and launch your instance. We will download and save the private key to access our instance using a secure shell protocol. Make sure you don't lose this key, or you won't be able to access your instance. Then click Launch Instances. And View Instances. Next, we will allocate an elastic IP address and associate this IP with our instance. We will click on Allocate and then Actions, Associate Elastic IP Address. Choose your instance and click Associate. Your instance is now ready. At the beginning of every lab, you will have to start your instance to run your analysis. Once you're done, make sure you stop your instance to avoid using all your quota. You can do that by clicking Actions, Stop Instance. If you want to permanently delete your instance, choose to terminate.